Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. So today we will be discussing about input output redirection. What is redirection? First let us know the basic concept of redirection. So redirection means you are trying to suppose you have an output from a specific file and you want to insert that output inside another file. Okay, so that is basically what is redirection. Means from you want to transfer something from one file to another file. Okay, once one file's output is another file's input. So this is basic concept of redirection. So we will get to know it better if we practice some task here. So in my previous lecture I have shown you some uses of cat command. So here we will be using cat command for redirection. Okay, you can use many other command, but I will be using cat command for redirection in this video. So I have opened my terminal here, and now let us go to our home folder. I have opened my desktop folder here because I will work in the desktop section, and I have opened it here for some specific for reason. Okay, you will get to know it. So first let me view my files. I am giving the command ls, and if I hit enter, I have some of my directories here. So today I will be working on my desktop directory. So for changing the directory, what command do we use? Do you remember, guys? I have mentioned it in my earlier videos. Okay, so we use cd for changing directory, and in which directory I want to go to my desktop directory. So I am writing desktop, and if I hit enter, now I am currently in the desktop directory. Okay, so let me view the desktop directory. For viewing the desktop directory, I am typing the command ls. If I hit enter, I can see some of the files and folders which I have created in my desktop directory. Okay, so here now I am going to create some files. Okay, so you can create a file with touch command also, but I didn't yet made a video on touch command. It will come in my future lecture, but today I will show you how to create a file with cat command. You can create a file with cat command also. Okay, so here if you type cat and space, and like suppose we want to the file name will be demo1 okay, sorry, cat space one arrow sign space demo1 .txt. so we want to create a txt file. So I am so what is the syntax here? Cat space arrow sign and the file name you want to create, and if you hit enter, here you will get to write something. Okay, so suppose I am writing here line 1, line 2, line 3. So I have written line 1, line 2 and line 3. So now at present you are inside the demo1.txt. So whatever you write here, it will be saved inside demo1.txt. Okay, so how can you exit from this? So you have to use a command for that also. Command or shortcut, keyboard shortcut, and the shortcut is Ctrl+D. If you press Ctrl+D, you will be redirected to your directory. Okay, so here we will create another file also, and try to write something inside it. So I am creating another file, cat space, and what was the syntax? Do you remember? The syntax was cat space one arrow sign and the file name you want to create. So I want to create demo2.txt. okay, so if I hit enter, you can see I have created I have opened my interface, desktop interface, for this reason that I have created demo1.txt. here you can see the demo1.txt has been created here. Demo2.txt, just now I have created this, so demo2.txt is appearing here. Okay, so now I should write something inside demo2.txt, right? So I will type line 2, okay, then line 3, then line 4. Again you have to exit from this file, right? So for that you have to use a shortcut, and what was that? Ctrl+D. By this way you can really exit from the file. Okay, so now let us view. What was the command for viewing a specific file? Do you remember? I have taught in my earlier lecture, that is cat space. Suppose we want to view demo1 file, so I am typing cat space demo1.txt. If I hit enter, you can see we can view the files inside the demo1, and what is inside the demo2. I am just copying it, demo2.txt, and if I hit enter, there are line 1, line 2, line 3, and in demo2 there are line 2, line 3, and line 4. Okay, so now what if I want to write something inside, I want to edit something inside demo1. Suppose I want to write 1 2 3 I want to write something inside demo1 again. So for that, you want to give the command cat space, and now if you just type and again an arrow sign and do the same as before, like if I do the same as before, cat space arrows space demo1.txt, then you will get to edit it. Okay, suppose we are writing hello 1, hello 2, hello 3. Okay, if I hit enter and by pressing Ctrl D, I am getting exit. Now if I try to view the file demo1.txt, you can see the main file has been changed to hello1, hello2, and hello3. You don't have line 1, line 2, and line 3. Okay, so for that, what you can do, what you have to do is, the correct command is cat space, and now you have to type double arrow, not single arrow, double arrow. If you type double arrow and the file name demo1.txt, and if you hit enter, now you will get to edit, you will get the edit option again. Now I want to write suppose line 1, line 2, line 3, and press Ctrl D and get exit of the editor. Now if I try to view the file cat demo1.txt, now you can see your all the things you have written, hello 1, hello 2, hello 3, line 1, line 2, line 3, everything has been printed. Okay, so this is the basic thing of redirection, and for combining two things, you have to give double arrows. Okay, now you can see we have two files, right? One is demo1 and demo2. Now what if we want to combine demo1 and demo2, and we want it in a single file, like the contents inside demo1 and the contents inside demo2 will be inside a separate file. So what will be the basic command for that? So the command for that will be cat space which file you want to combine. So I want to combine demo1.txt and demo2.txt. These are the two files that I want to combine, right? Space, arrow sign, and what will be the new file inside which the contents of demo1 and demo2 will be stored. I will suppose I am giving the name of demo3. Okay, demo3.txt. So this is the basic command for merging two files inside another new file. Okay, so if you hit enter, you can see the file should be created, demo3.txt, somewhere here. Yeah, you can see here the demo3.txt has been created. Now if you want to view the file cat demo3.txt, and if I hit enter, you can see every contents which was, we can see, if you want to see the demo inside demo2, there was line 2, 3, and 4. Inside demo1 there were hello 1, hello 2, hello 3, 1, 2, 3. So everything has been printed here. That means demo1 and demo2 has been merged inside demo3.txt. Okay, so this is the basic concept of input output redirection. Here you can here we did not give a specific command for creating any file. Here if you use this arrow sign and write a file name, the file will be automatically created. Okay, So this is the basic concept of redirection. I hope you all are clear about this. We will be talking about this more elaborately in our further lecture, and we will be using it again and again, so you don't have to just by heart anything. It will come along you. The more you practice, the more you will become efficient. Thank you for watching my video.